Hello my friends, this is the YouTube channel Coding Magic, and today in this video I'm going to show you downloading and installing Notepad++ coding editor. So what is Notepad++? Notepad++ is the free text editor that comes with a lot of cool features. For instance, autosave, syntax highlighting, tab support, multiple views, macros, and much more. If the core functionality is not enough, there are also many plugins available. I use Notepad++ pretty much every single day. It can be used for everything from writing down random notes to advanced text manipulation. So let's go. It's very straightforward. It's very easy. Don't get afraid. So open the google.com, and in google.com search for Notepad++. We got about 22,900,000 results. Out of this result, you will see notepad++.org. This is the official website to download Notepad++. Click on this link, and here you will see that several options to download several versions. The latest version is right now, as of now, 2021, May 24th is Notepad++ 7.9.5 release. At the time you are checking, maybe it is different, the different version, the newer version. So select the newest version, click on this version, and here you're gonna have several options to download. So right now my Windows 10 is 64-bit, and here I'm gonna choose download 64-bit, and I'm gonna use installer, which is .exe file. Click on installer, and it is 4 MB, very light. And go to your downloads, and you will see this executable file. Double click here, accept the Windows question, and choose your language. I'm gonna choose English. Next, click on next. Click, you can read if you want, but here I read it before, and so I'm clicking I agree. And here you're gonna choose the default folder. So I'm leaving as default, which gonna be installed this software in C, program files, Notepad++. Click next, and here select the type of install. You can choose minimalist or custom. I'm gonna use custom, and next, and you can create shortcut on desktop. This is very useful, and click on install. Right now installation is going on, and it's done. And here I will check run Notepad++ whenever I'm gonna finish. Yes, guys, see, this is we have successfully downloaded and installed Notepad++. This is the very cool software, very cool text editor, and you can use this one for the C++, for anything, for coding, even for note taking. You know, it's free, and that's it. Voila! Have a good day.